I launched my website January 15th of 2022. I can't believe that was a year ago. So since starting my crochet business, I have definitely accumulated a lot, and I mean a lot of yarn. I have a lot of excess yarn. I still have like yarn that I've like maybe started to use, never finished. When I was making the Shelly hats especially, I have a lot of yarn left over from when I was making the Shelly hat. I started making these beanies. I saw a tutorial from Erin B on YouTube, and there's a ton of tutorials on how to make these scrap beanies. It's pretty simple. Most people use them as a way to repurpose their old yarn anyway, so that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. Yeah, so the goal is I want to put out at least 10. I think I've made a total of 6 so far, so the goal is to make 4 today. Let's get to it because I have a lot of beanies I would like to make, and I'm kind of starting this later in the day because I had other things to do, but I have faith in myself. I think I can crank out 4 beanies. It is much later in the night and I have only, let me not say only, but I have completed 2 beanies. This is one of them. I think this one is really cute. I like all the green, different shades of green. There's a little bit of black, a little bit of blue, you know, a little bit of everything. I'm going to try and finish making 2 more beanies tonight. I think I'm gonna power through. I think I've got it. 2 more, no problem. I'm gonna try to get this done in the next 3 hours. I am in such a good mood right now. I am in such a good mood. Oh, wow. It's been a long day, but I did it. I completed 4 scrap beanies, watched like 5 episodes of Ginny and Georgia, ate too many cookies, but we're here. I still have so much more scrap yarn, so I feel like there will definitely be more scrap yarn beanie drops. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!